here we are, right outside the Marina Seca Pasa de Intra. We're about to see the Gaviota for the first time. We've been driving for over 1,000 miles, over 24 hours, without a snare. We slept outside at least 2 times. We've encountered very few hurdles. However, the adventure starts at this very moment as we attempt to cross the gate. La Gaviota. Esa es aquí. Oh, yes, we are.
So all of this stuff, what you need to do, I'll tell you all the material that you need. So this separation has to be fixed, and it can all be fixed by injecting epoxy behind it and then clamping it together.
So here we go. Cancel my appointments on Friday, Diane. I think I'll be out at sea. And that stuff's good because it removes rust too. We'll do a little castle.
Alright, we're gonna unstep this mast.
As you can see, sometimes it takes a village. This is your supervisor, Mike Fiducia, CEO of the Umbrella Corporation.